अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। आज हम देखेंगे पार्लियामेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। तो फर्स्ट है जी, द नेम ऑफ अफगानिस्तान पार्लियामेंट इज नेशनल असेंबली यानी जरगा। द नेम ऑफ अल्बानियन पार्लियामेंट इज क्वेंदी शिकपिराइस। द नेम ऑफ अल्जेरियन पार्लियामेंट इज बार्लियामेन। द नेम ऑफ एंडोरा's पार्लियामेंट इज जनरल काउंसिल। द नेम ऑफ Angola's parliament is National Assembly. The name of Argentina's parliament is National Congress. The name of Australian parliament is Parliament of Commonwealth of Australia. The name of Austrian parliament is Parliament. The name of Azerbaijan parliament is Milli Majlis. The name of Pumas parliament is Parliament. The name of Bahrain's parliament is Al Majlis Al Watani. The name of Bangladesh parliament is Jatiya Sangsad. The name of Bosnia and Herzegovinian's parliament is Parliamentary Assembly. The name of Brazil's parliament is National Congress. The name of Bulgaria's parliament is National Assembly. The name of Chile's parliament is National Congress. The name of Chinese parliament is National People's Congress. The name of Croatian parliament is Croatian Parliament. The name of Cuba's parliament is National Assembly of the People's Power. The name of Cyprus parliament is House of Representatives. The name of Czech Republic parliament is Parliament. The name of Denmark's parliament is Folketinget. The name of El Salvador parliament is Legislative Assembly. The name of Estonian parliament is Rico. The name of Equatorial Guinea's parliament is Parliament. The name of Finland's parliament is The name of Finland's parliament is Addis Costa Riksdagen. The name of Georgian parliament is Parliament. The name of Greece parliament is Hellenic parliament. The name of Hungarian parliament is The name of Hungarian parliament is Országgyűlés National Assembly. The name of Iceland parliament is Helsinki. The name of Indian parliament is Senate. The name of Indonesian parliament is House of Representatives. The name of Iran's parliament is Majlis Shura Islami. The name of Ireland's parliament is Ir IHTS. The name of Israel's parliament is Knesset. The name of Italy's parliament is Parliament. The name of Japanese parliament is National Diet. The name of Japanese parliament is National Diet. The name of Kuwait's parliament is Majlis Al Ummah National Council. The name of Lebanon's parliament is Majlis Nawab. The name of Libya's parliament is House of Representatives. The name of Lithuania's parliament is Seimas. The name of Luxembourg parliament is Chamber of Deputies. The name of Myanmar parliament is Assembly of the Union. The name of Malaysia's parliament is Parliament. The name of Maldives parliament is People's Majlis. The name of Malta's parliament is House of Representatives. The name of Mexico's parliament is Congress of the Union. The name of Mongolia's parliament is Ulsin Ihral, State Great Hiral. The name of Netherlands parliament is Staten General. The name of New Zealand's parliament is House of Representatives. The name of North Korea's parliament is Supreme People's Assembly. The name of Norway's parliament is Stortinget. The name of Pakistan's parliament is Majlis Shura. The name of Philippines parliament is Congress. The name of Portugal's parliament is Assembly of the Republic. The name of Qatar's parliament is Majlis Al Shura. The name of Republic of South Sudan parliament is National Legislature. The name of Russian Federation parliament is Federal Assembly. The name of South Korea's parliament is National Assembly. The name of Spain parliament is the Courts. The name of Sweden parliament is Riksdagen. The name of Switzerland parliament is Federal Assembly. The name of Syria's parliament is Majlis al-Shab yani People's Assembly. The name of Tajikistan's parliament is Majlis-e-Oli. The name of Tanzania's parliament is Banj. The name of Thailand's parliament is um, Ratha Safa. The name of Tonga's parliament is Legislative Assembly. The name of Turkey's parliament is Grand National Assembly of Turkey. The name of Ukraine's parliament is Verkhovna Rada. The name of United Kingdom parliament is Parliament. The name of United States of America's parliament is Congress. The name of Vietnam's parliament is Kok Hoi. The name of Yemeni parliament is General Council. The name of Parliament of Zambia, National Assembly. The name of the Parliament of Zimbabwe is Parliament. Would you like and share and subscribe?